When metal meets innovation, an industrial revolution is quietly staged. Welcome to the world of 3D metal printing. 3D metal printing is a cutting-edge technology which transforms metal powder into precise industrial-grade parts. Industrial application in aerospace, automobile manufacturing to medical devices. 3D metal printing reshapes the production process with its excellent accuracy and complexity. Accuracy and strength. The precise stacking of each layer of metal not only ensures the accuracy of parts, but also gives them unprecedented strength. Design freedom. Free from the shackles of traditional manufacturing, 3D metal printing allows designers' imagination to be infinitely extended. Economy and efficiency reduces the waste of materials and shortens the production cycle. 3D metal printing improves the efficiency and reduces the cost. Innovation promoter. It's not just manufacturing technology. 3D metal printing is the power to promote innovation and the heart of Industry 4.0. Future outlook. With the continuous maturity of technology, how will 3D metal printing lead the manufacturing industry to a more brilliant future? The dance of metal is not only the display of technology, but also the perfect integration of technology and innovation. Want to know more about the mystery of 3D metal printing? Pay attention to us and explore the infinite possibilities of metal printing together. Thanks for watching, subscribing and sharing. Our next video will continue to show you the charm of technology.